Hey everybody, welcome to the Ambition Hub. Today, we're talking about chef careers. Make sure to watch to the end for the best chef career tips and insight. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so that we can regularly help you with career tips to empower your success and improve your life. Now, let's get started. A chef is a highly skilled culinary professional who is trained in the art of food preparation, cooking techniques, and flavor combinations. Chefs are responsible for creating and designing menus, overseeing kitchen operations, and ensuring that dishes are prepared and presented to the highest standards. Chefs work in a variety of settings, including restaurants, hotels, catering companies, and other food service establishments. They may specialize in specific cuisines, such as French, Italian, Asian, or fusion. Or they may have expertise in particular types of cooking, such as pastry, seafood, or grilling. The role of a chef involves a range of tasks, including menu planning, sourcing ingredients, managing kitchen staff, and supervising food preparation and cooking processes. Chefs are also responsible for maintaining food safety and hygiene standards, as well as ensuring that dishes are visually appealing and taste delicious. Successful chefs possess a combination of skills, qualities, and characteristics that enable them to excel in their profession. A successful chef has a deep knowledge and understanding of culinary techniques, ingredients, and flavors. They continuously expand their culinary skills and stay updated with current food trends. Chefs need to be creative in developing new dishes, designing menus, and presenting food. They have the ability to combine different ingredients and flavors in innovative ways to create unique and memorable dining experiences. Precision and attention to detail are crucial in the culinary world. Successful chefs pay close attention to measurements, cooking times, plating techniques, and overall presentation to ensure consistency and excellence in every dish. Chefs often lead a team of kitchen staff, so strong leadership and management abilities are essential. They should be able to delegate tasks, provide clear instructions, motivate their team, and maintain a positive and productive work environment. The culinary industry is fast-paced and demanding, requiring chefs to manage their time effectively. Successful chefs can handle multiple tasks simultaneously, prioritize efficiently, and work under pressure to meet deadlines. Chefs must be adaptable to changing circumstances, such as last-minute menu changes, ingredient substitutions, or unexpected challenges in the kitchen. They can think on their feet, make quick decisions, and adjust their plans accordingly. Passion for food and a genuine love for the culinary arts are essential for a successful chef. They have a strong work ethic and are dedicated to delivering the best dining experience to their customers. Their enthusiasm and commitment are contagious, inspiring their team and customers alike. Effective communication is vital for chefs to convey their vision, instructions, and expectations to their team. They also interact with suppliers, staff members, and customers. So, good communication skills help in building relationships and resolving any issues that may arise. Successful chefs understand the business side of the culinary industry. They have a grasp of cost control, budgeting, inventory management, and menu engineering. They can make informed decisions that positively impact the financial aspects of their establishment. The culinary field can be physically and mentally demanding, with long working hours, high-pressure environments, and challenging situations. Successful chefs demonstrate resilience, perseverance, and the ability to bounce back from setbacks, maintaining their focus and passion for their craft. Each chef may have their own unique strengths and areas of expertise that set them apart in the culinary world. The job growth and outlook for chefs can vary depending on various factors, including the region, industry, and economic conditions. Here are some key points to consider regarding the job growth and outlook for chefs. The job growth for chefs is projected to be relatively stable in the coming years. While there may be fluctuations in demand due to economic factors and consumer preferences, the need for skilled chefs is expected to continue. Chefs work in a diverse industry. Opportunities in restaurants, hotels, catering companies, resorts, cruise ships, and more continue to grow. The growth rate within these sectors may differ, with some experiencing higher demand than others. Additionally, there is a growing trend of culinary entrepreneurship, with chefs starting their own restaurants and food-related ventures. Fine dining establishments often employ highly skilled and specialized chefs, whereas the demand for chefs in casual dining restaurants may be more driven by the overall growth of the food service industry. The expansion of casual dining chains and quick service restaurants has created employment opportunities for chefs in those sectors. There is a growing emphasis on locally sourced, organic, and sustainable ingredients in the culinary industry. Chefs who are knowledgeable and experienced in these areas may have an advantage as consumer preferences shift towards healthier and environmentally conscious dining options. As globalization continues, there is an increasing interest in international cuisines and fusion dishes. Chefs with expertise in specific ethnic cuisines or the ability to create innovative fusion concepts may find more opportunities in this evolving market. The demand for culinary graduates from reputable culinary schools and institutes remains strong. Formal culinary education can provide aspiring chefs with a solid foundation and enhance their employment prospects. Overall, while the job growth and outlook for chefs can be influenced by external factors, skilled and adaptable chefs who stay updated with industry trends, embrace innovation, and demonstrate a passion for their craft are likely to find opportunities in the culinary field. Becoming a chef typically requires formal culinary training from a culinary school or institute, as well as gaining practical experience in professional kitchens. It is a demanding and competitive profession that requires creativity, attention to detail, strong leadership skills, and a passion for food. Chefs can be employed in various settings within the culinary industry. This includes fine dining establishments, casual dining restaurants, ethnic restaurants, and specialty eateries. Restaurants offer diverse culinary experiences and employment opportunities for chefs at different levels. Many hotels and resorts have on-site restaurants and banquet facilities where chefs are employed. These establishments cater to guests' dining needs, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and special events. Catering companies provide food services for events such as weddings, corporate functions, parties, and conferences. Chefs in catering companies often prepare large quantities of food, plan menus, and oversee food presentation and service. Chefs can find employment opportunities on cruise ships, where they are responsible for preparing meals for passengers and crew members. Some chefs also work for airlines, preparing in-flight meals. Chefs may work in institutional settings, such as hospitals, schools, universities, and retirement homes. They manage kitchen operations, plan menus, and ensure that nutritional guidelines and dietary restrictions are met. Some chefs are employed by high net worth individuals or families as personal or private chefs. they work in private residences, preparing meals tailored to the preferences and dietary needs of their employers. Regarding salaries, the income of chefs can vary significantly based on factors such as experience, education, geographic location, type of establishment, and level of responsibility. Salaries can also vary between countries and regions. However, here are some general salary ranges to provide an idea. Chefs or line cooks typically earn salaries on the lower end of the spectrum, ranging from $25,000 to $40,000 per year. Sous chefs and chefs de partie with a few years of experience can earn between $40,000 and $70,000 per year, depending on the establishment and location. Executive chefs, head chefs, or chefs in top-tier positions can earn higher salaries, ranging from $60,000 to $120,000 or more annually. These positions often come with added responsibilities for menu planning, kitchen management, and staff supervision. Culinary industry also provides opportunities for chefs to earn additional income through tips, bonuses, and profit sharing in some establishments. Additionally, chefs who achieve recognition, such as Michelin stars or culinary awards, may have higher earning potential and increased job opportunities. The level of job security for chefs can vary depending on several factors. While the culinary industry offers a range of opportunities, it also presents challenges and potential fluctuations. Here are some factors that can affect the job security of chefs. The state of the economy can impact the demand for dining out and the financial stability of restaurants and food service establishments. During economic downturns or periods of recession, consumers may reduce their discretionary spending on dining out, which can lead to a decrease in job opportunities for chefs. The demand for chefs can also be influenced by seasonal and cyclical factors. For example, certain regions may experience fluctuations in tourism, affecting the demand for chefs in hotels and resorts. Additionally, there may be seasonal variations in the catering industry, with busy periods during holidays and special events. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Ambition Hub and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos with helpful career and education tips. Check out this video on baristas or click here for more content.